Looking for an affordable place to stay in Tagaytay just to sleep, rest, and recharge? Let me share you this cozy hotel that we tried. If you're going to Tagaytay for a quick trip, meeting friends, attending a wedding, or just hanging out the whole day, and you only need a clean, comfortable place to sleep at night, this hotel might be perfect for you. This is Rangya Hotel located along Emilio Aguinaldo Highway. It's right in the heart of the city and close to Ayala Mall Serene, Pink Sisters, and other key spots. Very convenient if you're always on the go. Upon arrival, the staff were very accommodating and our check-in was smooth and hassle-free, something we really appreciated after a long day. We stayed in their standard room, which cost us around 1,700 pesos, booked via Klook. Since we were mostly outside and just needed a place to rest, we chose their smallest room. The room is compact but complete. There's a bed, TV, and they also provide basic toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, and soap. Towels are included as well. The bathroom is clean, spacious enough, and comes with a heater, which is always a plus in Tagaytay. We were also so lucky to see their rooms before we checked out. This one is their deluxe room, located on the first floor beside the front desk. It's very spacious, has 2 queen beds, a table, TV, and a clean, well-designed bathroom. Plus, there's a balcony. So let's go to the second floor. Up on the second floor, they also have rooms, and this room is good for 6 people. Just look how spacious this is. It comes with a balcony as well, table, TV, and the same clean and well-maintained bathroom. And if you prefer a larger space but only for 2 persons, they also have a spacious room option. Perfect if you want more comfort without sharing. The room rates shown on the video are not final and may change. These prices are based on Klook listings as of January 7 of 2026. For updated rates, you may always check Klook or any booking channels or contact Rangya Hotel directly. Overall, Rangya Hotel is a great choice if you're looking for a budget-friendly, clean, and comfortable place in Tagaytay, especially if you'll be out most of the day and just need a good night's rest. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe, and we'll be sharing more honest hotel and restaurant reviews to help you plan your next Tagaytay trip. Thanks for watching and stay safe!